Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Since Valentine's Day is just around the corner, we are going to be doing some DIY Valentine's Day slime stuff. So let's just get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is this cute Valentine slime thing. It's really easy because all you need is some slime in a container, paper, and some markers. And optional, you can add something in it for like a little treat. Well, not a treat, but like, you know, a little surprise inside. Now you're just gonna get a piece of paper and write whatever you want on it. I'm just gonna write Happy Valentine's Day, but you can do whatever you want. Now you're gonna fold it over like exactly in the middle of it, and you're gonna cut it out as a heart. Now you're just going to get some double-sided tape and tape it on the container. Now I'm just going to make some Valentine slime because this will be cute for it. So of course I'm just going to add in some clear glue. And this is optional, but you can add some scent if you want. I'm just adding in cherry scent. And right here I accidentally added way too much. And just to know, if you add scent into clear glue, it is going to get a little foggy, but I don't mind that. So now I'm just making up a random color because I don't have any red food coloring, so I'm trying to mix a purple and pink mixture thing, which ended up really pretty. And now I'm just adding in some pink glitter, which is going to make it super pretty. And also, this is optional, but I'm adding in some gold pigment. And I just love watching this mix. Like, look how pretty that is. It literally changed the pink's color. If you look back, the pink was more of a purple pink, but now it's like a peach pink. It's so pretty. And it's gonna fog up because you're going to, you know, mix it a lot when you add your activator, and it looks like there's no gold in it, but when you let it clear up, you'll see the gold. It's really pretty. So now we're just making our activator, which literally is just saline solution and baking soda mixed together. Why I'm mixing them together instead of separate is because with clear glue, if you added them separate, it's gonna get like all stiff and the activator leaks out. It's like terrible. So this is why I'm doing that. And here it is. It got a little stiff, but that's okay. Okay, so now I'm just going to add it in a Ziploc bag. And this is also good if you don't have any containers, because then you can just add it in here. And here's my other one, and it totally looks like Twilight Sparkle. And then here I added another Happy Valentine's Day thing in, and I'm kind of like smushing it down, but yeah, oh well. And now I'm gonna add in this confetti that I found, and it just makes it like more Valentine-y, if that makes sense. And that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, click the thumbs up, and comment down below what your favorite slime was. And see you guys next time. Bye!